Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mathematic. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you see the new update. And today's video we are looking at integration into inverse trigonometric function using substitution. And there are some formulas which you must consider when dealing with the inverse trigonometric function. The equation for number one, if we have integral du, we have integral of du over square root of a squared minus u squared. This must be equals to sine inverse open brackets u over a close plus c. This is the formula which you must use when you have such equation. Then for number two, if you have integral du over a squared plus c plus u squared, this one must be equals to 1 over a tan inverse open bracket u over a the bracket plus c. Then for number three, it is integration of du over we have du over square root of u then u squared minus a squared. This one must be equals to 1 over a secant inverse open bracket u over a close plus c. So now let's try to work out with example 1. If you have du over square root of 64 minus x squared, you must take this one into here is the integration. Then it will be, we take u squared, it is equals to x squared. Then when you introduce square root, it will be u equals x. Then du, which is du is equivalent to dx. Then here this is a and this is u. So here for a it will be a squared equals 64. Then a equals square root of 64, it is 8. So now let's try to solve by using the formula which is suitable for this one, which is square root of du over square root of, let's plug in a squared minus u squared, which is equals to sine inverse open bracket u over a plus c. Then this one is going to be sine inverse open, where there's u you plug in x, where there's a you plug in 8 plus c. So this one is in the bracket, so this is the answer. Example 2, if you have 4 here, 4 over 9 plus x squared, which is the integration. So we all know that this one is a tangent inverse. So now raise. So this one is u, this one is a. Then here it will be u squared equals x squared. U equals x. Then du it is equivalent to dx. Then a squared equals 9. Then a equals 3. Then what you should do here, you must take this 4 into where there is the integral here, in which it will be 4 integration of here will remain with the dx. So it will be, you remain with the so now let's continue. Here we are going to have du over a squared minus u squared, which is equal to, we all know that for integration of du over a squared minus u squared, it is equals to 1 over a tangent minus 1 open bracket, or tangent to inverse, then open bracket u over a plus c. So remember that, let's substitute now. Where there's a we put 3, and where there's u we put x. So it will be, remember here we have 4, so it will be 4 multiplied by 1 over, where there's a it is 3 tan inverse open bracket, where there's u we add x over 3 plus c. Then let's multiply this one. 4 times 1, it will be 4 over 3 tan inverse open bracket x over 3 plus c. So this is the answer.